Hi there, this is Keith Campbell, Chairman of Mannington, live at the Surfaces Show. I have with me the president of our residential group, my nephew, Zack Zehner. Zack?
Good morning, everybody. How are you?
Zack, tell them what's going on.
So we're extremely excited. We've hit our 104th year of business, and we're back at Surfaces. This is our big event of the year, and we're rolling out all our products. Everybody's about ready to come storming in as they hit Jay's basement, which is always really exciting on the first day of the show. But we have a couple of key features. We are rolling out our Endura selling solution, as you see here, a unique approach to LVT where we're driving a simple message for the retail salesperson in the confusing world of LVT, where you can sell WPC, SPC, and glue down LVT, all from a single selling solution. We also have been working hard in our High Point plant on our hardwood products, and we are rolling out new premium products with unique design features. Really, for the first time, we're featuring those at the booth. And then lastly, in our laminate collection, we've enhanced our waterproof warranty with our restorations product group. Really excited about that. Of course, we want everybody to come see the awesome deals at Jay's. Booth number 1309. Please come see us. We're ready.
We are ready. And we also have some of the most beautiful sheet vinyl products, luxury sheet, in the industry. 1309. We'll see you soon. Thank you.
Thanks.